Hi there, what's up? How you people are doing? Hope you people are doing good. And I am your Ashita from my channel Ashita Related. This video is all about a mutton biryani recipe, which is very simple and easy to do. For that, I've been taken a pressure cooker. I'm being adding nearly half cup of oil and nearly 2 spoons of ghee. And these are the items which are required for mutton biryani recipe. Firstly, I gonna add spices, that is bit cinnamon and 1 star flavor, and you can add different spices if you like one. Now guys, I gonna add nearly 5 to 6 clove and nearly 2 to 3 cardamom. And bit bay leaves, that is 5 to 6 bay leaves, and bit cumin, now I gonna add 5 to 6 red chilies, which is chopped one. Later 1 big chopped onion. Now I gonna fry the onions till it turns brown. Once it turns brown, I'm gonna add nearly 1 chopped tomato and nearly 1 cup of chopped mint leaves plus coriander leaves. I'm using kasuri methi, which is dried one, bit kasuri methi, and I'm gonna fry it. Once it starts boiling, I'm gonna add washed mutton. I'm gonna add nearly half kg of mutton, and you can add how much you really require according to your family members. Now guys, I'm gonna add 2 spoons of ginger garlic paste, which I prepared in my home itself, or you'll get outside also, and nearly half spoon of turmeric powder. And add required amount of salt. I'm being adding nearly 1.5 spoon of salt. And I'm gonna mix it well. Boil it for 5 minutes. Later, add nearly half cup of curd. And now for the rice part, I'm using Unity basmati rice. I've been taking nearly 2.5 cup of basmati rice, and you can add how much you really require according to your family members. And I'm gonna soak this raw rice in water for nearly 15 minutes. Once it starts boiling, I'm gonna add nearly 5 cup of water for my 2.5 cup of rice. Now I'm gonna add nearly 1 spoon of chili powder, and guys, add according to your taste. And later 1 spoon of dhania powder, and I'm gonna mix it well. Once it starts boiling, I'm gonna add my soaked raw rice. Now I'm gonna close the lid of the cooker and I make it 2 whistles. Now after 2 whistles, my biryani is ready to be served. And that's it. It's very simple. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, and please do like and subscribe.